am so excited because we are going to be reviewing Lady Gaga's new makeup line, Haus Laboratories. I have some of the stuff right here. I was literally like stalking my postman because it was set to come today and I knew that I wanted to get it and film and edit and upload this video so I could get it up as soon as possible for you guys. I don't live in LA, so I can't go to the launch events and stuff that you guys probably saw other influencers at so they could get the makeup a little bit early. So I was just relying on my postman. I was like, come on, baby. Where is my order? I did pre-order this stuff back in July, which is when they allowed for like pre-order. I didn't know if it was gonna like sell out immediately when it first launched, so I did want to pre-order it, but it does look like most of the stuff is still available now, so they must have like really big stocks of the stuff so that they don't sell out. So I cannot wait. I have really, really high hopes for this. This is going to be a completely unbiased review. I'll be very honest with you guys. I'm not like a Lady Gaga stan or anything. Like, of course I know her music and I bop to it. And I think she seems like a really, really awesome person, but I personally listen to country music mostly, so that's really what I listen to. So it's not like I'm just going to say this makeup is great because I love Lady Gaga, although I can say that I do feel like she's a person that puts her all into everything that she does. And I don't think this is just kind of like a celebrity slapping their name and face on a makeup line. Like, I do think that she is involved in this, and a lot of the makeup products definitely really fit her and her brand and stuff. So I do really like that and I have very high hopes, but of course we're gonna try everything out today. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first I wanna go through all of the products with you guys and give you pricing and everything, and then we will test everything out. So these are the two little kits that I got. When the pre-order first came around in July, it looked like all of her makeup was only in kits. Like, you could not buy it individually. But when I look today, you now can buy the products individually, but when it first launched, you kind of had to buy them in these little kits that came with 3 products. I do think the package, like the little bag they come in, is super cute, and inside of them you get 3 products. I haven't even like taken these out of the cartons or anything yet. So you get a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a Glam Attack, which is a liquid all over shimmer for the eyes. So I'm gonna take everything out, and the only place that you guys can get this is directly on her Haus Laboratories website, and it is also on Amazon. Okay, so here are all the products in the first kit that I got. I really like the packaging. They definitely look custom to me. They're very, very pretty. I like how they kind of have like the different sort of top instead of it just being flat. So I do really like that. And this is the House of Goddess collection. So if you buy the 3 products together, they're $49. I believe if you buy them separately, it comes out to be a little more expensive, like about $54 if you separately buy like the eyeshadow that you want, the lip liner that you want, and the lip gloss that you want. But this collection is House of Goddess. This was the one that I thought I was gonna like the best, just as far as the colors go. And you guys are in luck because I did order another collection. This is different colors than this one, but I actually ordered 2 of the House of Goddess collections because one of them I'm gonna be giving away to you guys, because again, I figured I didn't know if everything was gonna like sell out and stuff, so I wanted to get an extra one so I could give it away to you guys so one of you guys could try it. So if you want to enter my giveaway to win the House of Goddess collection, then all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, which hopefully if you're watching this video, you're already subscribed and you've hit the bell. And then also just be sure to subscribe to my vlog channel and follow me on Instagram, which is @KellyStrackOfficial. I will have it all linked down below in the description box. And then just leave me a comment down below letting me know the best way to get in contact with you. So whether it's your IG, your Twitter, or anywhere that I can direct message you, your email address, just leave me a way that I can get in contact with you if you are the winner, and I will send this to you. You do not have to live in the United States. As long as I can send you makeup, you can enter. And I'll let this giveaway run for 2 weeks, we'll say. I'm not 100% sure which day I'm going to upload this video on, so I'm not gonna give an exact date of when it's gonna end, but it will be 2 weeks from the date this video is uploaded on. So yeah, all right, let's get into just watching these products because I cannot wait. So first we're gonna do the lip liner. It says it's a demi matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Myth. If you buy the lip liners on their own, they do retail for $16. I'm going to do it this way so you guys can really see. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Ooh, very, very pretty. I like that shade a lot. Seems very, very creamy, and it's a very pretty like mauvey pink shade. So I like that. We are of course gonna use it on our lips as well, but I just wanna do hand swatches first. Then we have the lip gloss, which is in the shade Venus. I really am digging the packaging. Ooh, that's a really cool looking doe foot. It's like curved. Can you guys see that? It's not like a normal doe foot, but it kind of like is in the shape of like, I guess what your lip would be like. All right. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Very pretty. Doesn't look like the lip gloss is like super full coverage or anything, so I might go over my whole lip with the lip liner and then cover it with the lip gloss because it doesn't look like the lip gloss is like super opaque or anything, which I mean most lip glosses aren't. So I didn't necessarily expect it to be. And then we have the Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer in Aphrodite. Ooh, kind of reminds me of like Stila. Oh my goodness, I love that. See, I knew I was gonna love this one. The other liquid eyeshadow that I got is much darker, but this one looked so pretty. Wow, okay, I'm really excited. I'm gonna swatch the other set that I have. This one is, I forgot the name on this one. Let me double check. This is the House of Chained Ballerina collection. So this also again comes with the same 3 products, but they're just different colors. So the lip liner in this set is called Endpoint. So I'm gonna do it right here. Very pretty nude. I actually picked this set because I thought that I was going to like the lip products better in this set, where in the first set I thought that I was gonna like the eyeshadow. Like that's why I bought it, because initially when I did pre-order you could only buy the set, so I couldn't buy stuff individually, but you guys now have the opportunity to be able to buy it individually, which I think is great. Then the lip gloss in this one is Corset. Let me tell you guys the price of the lip gloss if you buy it separate. The lip gloss is $18 if you buy it separately. That's what the lip gloss looks like. Ooh, also very, very pretty. So this first one is definitely a lot deeper, more purpley tones, where this one pulls more pink. So I think I'm really gonna love this lip set on this one. And then this one I'm a little nervous about. This is the liquid eyeshadow. This one I think is like a black. And this is Chained Ballerina. Yeah, so this is a really deep and dark. Ooh, wow. I mean, it's pretty though, and it's pigmented, wow. So this is like smoky with a nude lip kind of look. But of course we're gonna try everything out. But I did just wanna show you guys swatches first and let you guys know the pricing. And the pricing on the liquid eyeshadows, I just have Amazon up on my phone right now, is $20 each. So again, it will work out a little cheaper if you do buy it in the sets, but then you are confined to the exact colors they have set up for the sets. And the last thing that I did get is the liner. I feel like Lady Gaga always has the most coolest liner. So I was like, okay, I gotta try it. This was $20. And the exact name for this is the Lip Eye Liner, like Lie, which I thought was really cute. It's like a play on words, and it's supposed to be a black felt tip liner. I like the packaging on this. A lot of people were complaining about felt tip liners. To me, I personally don't mind them, so I am excited to see how this works. Oh wow, she is pigmented, that is for sure. So we are gonna see how this works on the eyes. Oh my goodness gracious. And the liner definitely does look like it's drying down to be a matte, so it's not gonna have like any glow or anything to it. All right, so we're gonna do the lipsticks and glosses first, and then we'll work with the eyeshadow. So I'm first gonna go in with the lip liner. This one is the shade Endpoint, and I'm gonna go in and line my lips. Seems very creamy, which I like. And is a really pretty nude color. Like this is like the kind of lip liner that I use every day. I do prefer retractable lip liners. That's just like a personal preference thing of mine. Like these are kind of obviously that you actually have to sharpen, but like it's not that big of a deal. And then at first I did say I think I was gonna put the liner all over my lips, but I think I wanna see how pigmented lip gloss is on its own. So I am just gonna go in with the lip gloss now with just the lip liner on the outside of my lips, and we'll see how pigmented it is. So I'm gonna go in with the Corset Lip Gloss. Ooh, the doe foot is actually really cool because it has that like divot in it. Definitely like a light lip gloss. I would normally probably wear like some sort of lipstick underneath this, but it is giving a really pretty like glistening look to my lips, which I like. Definitely feels very, very creamy. It's not sticky. It's like a thicker formula for sure. Like it's not a very light lip gloss, but it's not like sticky either. Like I actually personally like thicker lip glosses rather than thinner ones because they definitely are gonna last on your lips longer. So these hopefully should be pretty long lasting, but it's not like your lips are gonna be sticking together. Like it just feels glossy, which is, you know, in my opinion, how a lip gloss should feel. So I do really, really like this. And this is totally a combo that I would wear every single day with a lipstick underneath it or with not. I think it looks nice without it as well. I just had like foundation on my lips before. So the first lip combo I like. Up next, I'm gonna go in with the Myth Lip Liner. This one is definitely deeper, but very, very creamy still. I like this a lot. I feel like honestly to be able to charge $16 for a lip liner, like it better be good, because that is kind of expensive for just like a lip liner, but I actually do really think these are very nice in formula. And then I'm gonna go in with the Venus Lip Gloss and apply. Oh, wow. I actually really like this one. I will say with how the doe foot is, you kind of have to dip in like multiple times because it doesn't get a ton of product on it. But that doesn't really bother me, but if you guys see me like dipping in, that's kind of why, because the doe foot's a little bit different. It doesn't really pick up that much product. I kind of take back the fact that they're not super pigmented. Like I feel like this still looks really nice, like with the lip liner and the lip gloss. Like you don't necessarily need a lipstick underneath it. You certainly could put a lipstick underneath it, but I still actually think it looks really nice. So I kind of take back my initial thought on the swatches, I feel like on my lips, they are showing up and they're not like completely like translucent, you know what I mean? So I actually really do like this. And again, I like thicker formulas when it comes to lip glosses because they are gonna last longer on my lips, but I don't find it to be like overly sticky or anything. And it has a really pretty like glossy, kind of juicy look to it, which is what I like. So I'm a really big fan of the lip product so far. I am a little bit nervous about the eye products. This one I think I'm gonna love. This black I'm like very nervous about. I honestly just really liked the lip products in that kit, which is why I got that kit. I wasn't crazy about like the actual eye product, but I am gonna use it for you guys, of course. I just don't know exactly what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna go in with Aphrodite first, and I'm gonna pop this on my lid. Ooh, very pretty. Dang, look at that shimmer. Wow, I like this a lot. This reminds me a lot of the Stila Magnificent Metals. It's a little bit lighter, I would say, like in consistency than those are, but it's just as shimmery and pretty. I'm interested to see if this cracks at all or anything, because a lot of times like liquid eyeshadows, if they don't set properly, can like crack and get all sorts of crusty. So I'm interested to see if that happens with this one, but that looks really pretty on. Wow. So I'm gonna let that set down. It doesn't feel like overly liquidy on my eyes. Like sometimes with certain liquid eyeshadows, like I feel like I have to leave my eye closed and let it set or it's gonna go crazy. Where with this one, I don't feel like that. Like it feels like it's drying relatively fast. So I do really like that. And I think this looks really nice even without any other eyeshadow on my lid. Like all I had was concealer that was set with powder. Like I had no other eyeshadow or anything. And it looks beautiful. It's just like pop it on the lid and go. This one, the darker shade, I feel like is gonna definitely look more intense and maybe would be best if you have like full-blown eyeshadow on and you use it as a topper, but we're gonna use it on our bare lid to see, because there aren't any eyeshadows in this makeup line as of right now, so I'm not gonna go in with a different eyeshadow, but I feel like that's how I will mostly use this, as almost as like a topper and not necessarily like an eyeshadow on its own, where this one can definitely just be used all over the lid, but I mean, I could be wrong about this, so we're gonna go in and see while we continue to let that dry up. And again, the shade on this one is Chained Ballerina. And I'm gonna just go in on my lid with her. Definitely very pigmented, which is great. Both of these were. And I actually like wiped excess product off of this so I didn't go in with too much. Gonna just bring it in there. Definitely similar consistency and formula, much smokier look as comparison to this eye. I look like crazy with these two eyes going on, but I want to make sure that I did use both products for you guys. If you want to rock this on your own, girl, do you. I think the formula is great. For me personally, again, after using it, I have confirmed that I would definitely need to go in with like other eyeshadows to make this all kind of work together, at least in my opinion. Like do a crease work and create a smoky eye and then go all over the lid with this, and I think would really make it pop and you're really going to get that deep, dark, pigmented color, because blacks a lot of time do not show up this pigmented in powder form. Like it's very hard to find a very pigmented black powder eyeshadow, so I think this is a great option. I just don't know that I would ever wear it on its own. I feel like it's a little too intense on my eyes personally. So I am going to go in and take that off of this eye and put the lighter shade on so then we can use the liner on both eyes. So I feel like the liner won't show up on this side since it's so dark on the eye, and then at least we have like a cohesive look, but I did just want to test it to be able to show you guys. All right, so I'm just going back in with Aphrodite on my other eye, and just so you guys know, the liquid eyeshadow was very easy to remove. It didn't like stain my eye super dark or anything, so that was great. And I'm just gonna go in with this. This is so stinking beautiful, wow. It just adds like the prettiest little glisten like to your eyelids, which I really love. And this eye has completely dried now, and I'm looking at it up close and there is no cracking, which is A+++, because a lot of these liquid eyeshadows will crack on your eyes, where this one looks still really smooth and really beautiful. So I'm very happy about that. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the liner and see how this works. Again, this is just in the shade Black. I think the actual shade they call it is Punk, which is cute, and we're gonna go in and see. It is a very long felt tip, so I'm interested to see how that works, but we're gonna just go in and work with it and see how we can control it. So far it seems pretty good. I do have rather watery eyes, so I am gonna bring it into my inner corner. We'll see if it frays up and kind of go from there. But it definitely is pretty easy to use so far. I hate talking while doing my liner because I'm like trying to focus. I also haven't done winged liner in like a minute, but I feel like with Lady Gaga you gotta do it. So I'm gonna just go for the wing. It's very pigmented, which I do really like. It's definitely liquidy, so you gotta be careful with it because I feel like it could go everywhere. Like it's not a dry liquid liner formula, it's definitely more liquidy, but it is gonna dry down to be a matte. But I feel like that was pretty easy to use, and I feel like my wing looks pretty good for not having done one in quite some time. So we're gonna go ahead and go in now on this eye. And it is gliding super easily over the glittery finish, which is great, of like the eyeshadow. And this stuff is like black, you know what I mean? Like it's not like gray, it's not like faded, like it is pigmented and it is a very nice color. It did just skip a little bit with the line there. Sometimes felt liners will do that, but we can kind of go over it and just sharpen it out. All right, honestly, I'm really impressed with this. I do have a little fraying down into the inner corner in here. I mean, pretty much every liner does that, but it's not like really bad. Like some liners will go all the way up and stuff, which this is not doing, at least not right now. So it's not that big of a deal to me, but just something to note. It is gonna fray a little bit regardless of the waterproofness or not. Overall, I am really, really impressed though. Like I feel like these are products that I will use a lot. I really liked the lippies. The lippies are really, really great. The lip liners and the lip glosses. Love this Aphrodite liquid shimmer. I think I might go back and order a couple more liquid shimmers that are lighter. The only thing that I wasn't really, really crazy about is the black liquid shimmer. Not because it's a bad product, but because it's a color that I probably won't use all that often. I really don't do super dark looks like that, especially with dark all over colors on my eyes. If you do looks like that, I think this would be great. For me personally, it's not a product that I think I'm going to be using a ton, but because during the pre-order I was kind of forced into buying the kits, that's why I got that one, because I liked the lip products, where now you can buy everything separately, so you're not even going to have a problem with that, which I do really like that they did that. And I think the liner worked really well too. It was definitely very pigmented, and I found it to be easy to use and created a pretty good wing, if I do say so myself. So overall, I am happy with my purchase, and I do think the quality is there in this makeup, because you know, it's not drugstore prices, it is at a higher price point, so I was interested to see if it was worth it, and I did really enjoy the product, so I'm happy with my purchase. I would definitely say my favorite kit is the House of Goddess. I loved the lipstick, the lip gloss, and the eyes. That's basically what I have on right now, is that whole kit. And that's the kit that I'm giving away to you guys. So I knew the kind of colors that I was gonna like best, and I'm excited for one of you guys to try it. So like I said, be sure to enter into the giveaway, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my vlog channel, and follow me on Instagram, and just let me know a way down below to contact you, and you'll be entered to win. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!